Now as he goes, he's going to start to do some rolls. And just wait, we saw Gort do this. We're going to watch him transition very carefully into what we call a flat spin. If you don't remember that, I call it a falling frisbee. The X-Ray flying today is the pinnacle of modern aerobatic aircraft. He's here today to share his passion for aviation with all of us. Mike's home base is in Ontario, Canada, and some of you may notice he's not flying his usual Giles 202. As aviation goes, it's currently down for major maintenance, and so a new project is on the horizon, and he's grateful for the opportunity to demonstrate the aerobatic performance of this extra 330 LC today.
ये सामने सीट है, ये पेड़ है। ओंटारियो प्लेस के एकदम एंड पे आ चुका हूँ मैं।
Straight up into the clear blue we have here at the CIBS today. Rolling out on that 45-degree line, he's going to use all that airspeed now to perform his next maneuver in the Pitts Model 12. If you're lucky and you look really closely, you'll see Trevor in the seat of the cockpit of this aircraft. It is an open cockpit biplane, so he's experiencing the rush of wind coming off the propeller, as well as the speed of the aircraft as it goes through the sky. All right, demonstrating the incredible power-to-weight ratio of the Pitts Model 12. Rolling out there, let's see if he pulls back on the stick again to go a little bit higher. Comes off, he unwinds the airplane, and here comes the recovery. What do you think of that, folks? Surface here, pulls back on the stick, 4 or 5 positive G's, pushing him into the seat of that cockpit, down on that 45-degree line. There's 1, there's 2 to upright. Lots of airspeed, pulls back on the stick again, and up he goes. I think he's going to go through about 5/8 of a loop there, and stops it on the 45. Holds it upside down, and if we saw the smoke trails there, you would have seen a great big figure 8 lying on its side. It's called
And readers joining us from Cincinnati, Ohio. Not only an air show pilot, but a corporate airline pilot where he flies the Airbus 320. He's a multi engine flight instructor and has 4.
That was the one that was flying by the little guy.
4 Band RV8. That's the aircraft that is flying for us today.
That's right, the whole build. That's right, folks build these airplanes in their garages, their hangars, there's parts and pieces in the living room, and the kitchen table. Gotta tell you, that's one supportive and accommodating family to allow that.
You sure I get them all?
Yeah.